Let's start the show by saying a big hi to everyone tuning into ShellieVision, the Shire's channel. What a wonderful day for creating and making. Today we are going to take a peep at the goings-on in the Shire. The On-Civil Service has announced a competition challenging folk to invent a perpetual motion machine. The winners will be announced in a month's time. Next, if you dance, act, sing, perform, entertain, our new talent show will surely thrill you. ShellieVision will be announcing a new talent show. All residents in the Shire are welcome to apply to enter the first round. Next, let's zoom in on Twaddle and Dribble and watch them tinker. First, we can watch them use a magnet, battery, and some wire to make an electric motor. Now they are making a tube-like train and will hopefully witness it zoom round a tube of wire. Gosh, I wonder where this will lead us. Then again, as the tube is a joined-up circle, we'll probably end up going round in circles. Lastly, an update from our investigators, Fox and Ace, regarding Raspin, Marshmallow and their pals. After following Raspin, they conclude that he is up to no good and wouldn't be surprised if he wasn't responsible for the appearances of phantoms, fairies, pixies and the like. Here at ShellieVision, we appeal to all our viewers to keep their eyes open for goblins, gnomes, witches a-withering and urge you not to trip over them.
Drag and drop to the usual places. See the sights, watch new faces. Music makers, fortune tellers, sleazy calves and chalk eye sellers. Watch and wonder, ha, la 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 la. Watch and wonder, ha, la 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 la. Lucky dips or belts and braces, ball hopping, thrill chasers, music shakers, deck chair sellers, pack-a-max, hiding sellers. Watch and wonder, la 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 la. Watch and wonder, la 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 la. Pitch ideas, coins fall, distant echoes, a glitzy pole. Showstoppers, old-time yellers, duck and dive by boho sellers. Drag and drop to the usual places. See the sights, watch new faces. Watch and wonder.